Hello everyone and welcome to Minecraft Education Edition. In our first activity, we're going to go through a training world that will show us how to operate in Minecraft, as well as for those of you that are very familiar with Minecraft, the major differences between Education Edition and the standard edition that you're used to. So after opening Minecraft Education Edition and clicking play, we're going to click View Library. And then down here, you're going to have the box that says How to Play. The one I want you to click on is the one that says Start Here. We are not going to go through all of this. If you want to, you're welcome to go through all of this, especially if you're new to Minecraft and you really truly want some basic ones, or you're struggling with an issue and you want to work more on, let's say, interactions. The one I want you to look at is called Education Edition Tutorial, which is right here. It's another one with the little barn on it. And when you get here, you're going to have to click Create World. After a few minutes of loading, which really does depend on your connection speed, you're going to be brought into the training world. It'll look something like this. So at this point, you'll use the movement keys, which are shown on the side, to start to move around. You'll see these different billboards out here, and you will potentially have some interactions as you move through. I've done this so yours might look slightly different. Okay? All these are helpful. Now, the way you're going to prove that you are done with this and ready to go is through some sort of assignment or quiz where you talk to me about how to do the various commands. All questions from the quiz assignment will be from inside of this world. Those of you that have more experience, you can switch into creative and use the fly around command to find the different areas. The ones you need to go through for sure are the ones with the light purple and medium purple paths.